Hey guys, welcome back to Cook Any Day. Today we are making this super healthy oats chocolate laddus. So here's a good news for people who are on diet and searching for some healthy dessert recipes. Now you can satisfy your sweet cravings with this guilt-free laddus. So let's get started with the recipe. Let's have a look at ingredients. So here I have taken oats. Considering this measurement bowl, I have taken approx 2 bowl of oats. We'll have to roast this oats before making laddus. Then I have taken approx 3 to 4 tablespoons of butter. Here is a roasted peanut powder. I have taken half bowl of roasted peanut powder. Here is a dry fruit powder. I have used almonds and cashew nuts. You can add dry fruits as per your choice, but make sure you add it only half cup. For sweetness, I am using jaggery powder here. You can also use dates to make the laddus more healthy. So I am using half cup of jaggery powder. And last but not least is a dark chocolate. Ideally, you should use 90% dark chocolate. But here I am using compound chocolate, which is a bit sweet, so I have taken only half cup of jaggery powder. If you are using 90% dark chocolate, make sure you add more sweetener. So let's start with roasting oats. Here I have taken a non-stick pan and you have to roast this oats properly around 4 to 5 minutes. Now you can see oats has started changing its color. So we'll roast it more for a minute. Now from the color you can see the oats are properly roasted. Let's switch off the flame now. And we'll have to cool down this oats and then we'll grind it into the powder. Meanwhile, to melt our jaggery, I have taken half cup of water and bring it to boil. Once it starts boiling, I'm adding this jaggery powder to it. Stir it properly until the jaggery gets melted. After a few minutes, you can see the jaggery has melted properly. Make sure you don't have too thick consistency of it. So at this point, I'm switching off the flame. Now we are ready with our oats powder. Make sure you grind it properly in the powdered form. Now in this, we'll add our dry ingredients, that is dry fruit powder, and peanut powder, and mix these dry ingredients properly before adding jaggery to it. This has been mixed properly. Now at this point I'm adding melted jaggery to it and melted chocolate. So you can melt your chocolate in microwave or you can double boil it. Now mix this properly at the time when jaggery is warm enough. Now we have roughly mixed our ingredients. At this point I am adding butter to it. Here you can reduce the quantity of butter as per your choice. It is actually optional, but it gives really a good taste to our laddus. Let's mix these ingredients properly. Here our dough is ready. Now we can start binding our laddus. To make laddus, let's take small portion of mixture and bind it in the laddu shape as I am showing here. Let's bind the rest of laddus. Here you can also garnish each laddu with the dry fruits of your choice. Here our healthy laddus are ready. Oats comes with many nutritional benefits and having them plain can be a bit boring, but combining them with chocolate tastes really nice. You should definitely try these laddus and let me know in comments if you like this healthy recipe. Please subscribe and press bell notification for more such easy and healthy recipes. You can also have a look at my other recipe videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.